Hello, fellow traders. Today we're diving into Odin Bot, your automated companion for Solana copy trading. What exactly is Odin Bot? Simply put, it's your fastest way to copy successful traders on Solana in a fully automated way, with a fully graphical interface so simple that anyone can use it. Let me walk you through how it works. First, you'll create your account. Then, you'll need to fund your wallet with some Solana to get started. This is your trading capital, so you decide how much you want to work with. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you're set up, you can input which wallets you want to copy into the Mirrors tab and give them a custom note to better identify them. The real power of Odin Bot lies in its complete automation and flexibility. Once you input a wallet to mirror and choose your trading size, Odin Bot handles everything automatically. To do so, you have two ways to customize this automation. For individual wallets, just click the Settings button next to each one to customize how you'll copy their trades, or head to the Controls tab to set up your general trading parameters that will be applied to all wallets unless otherwise stated. If you want to automate your profit-taking, Odin Bot's also got you covered with its auto-sell profiles. You can set both your stop-loss and take-profit levels, so the bot knows exactly when to exit trades based on your preferences. Once you got your profile created, you can select it on each wallet's controls. With Odin Bot, keeping track of everything is easier than ever before. Check the Holdings tab to see all your current tokens, and use the Saved Wallets tab to monitor all your copy trading targets, both active and past ones. One of the most important features is Odin Bot's built-in security system. It helps protect you from copy trading risky wallets that might end up draining your funds. But remember, you're always in control. Every safety feature and trading parameter can be adjusted to match your comfort level. Plus, Odin Bot rewards you for sharing. Spread your unique affiliate link, and you'll automatically earn 40% of the trading fees from users who join through your referral. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned copy trader looking to make more money, Odin Bot streamlines everything. You won't miss those crucial trades anymore. And before we wrap up, here's a crucial reminder. While Odin Bot makes trading easier, always trade responsibly. Set your limits and never trade more than you can afford to lose.